of you have been asking me to do fashion videos, so I thought I'd do another style swap, and I've been thinking of people that I should do a style swap with. And then I thought, who would I not want to do a style swap with? And the answer is my mother. So, for those of you who don't know, she always comes to me for fashion advice, and I'm always making fun of her clothes.
True.
So,
Very true.
this is going to be very scary for me. Is it scary for you or fun for you?
No, I'll try. Let's see what you get for me. I'm sure you've got some long dress which I don't normally wear.
When is the last time you think you wore a dress?
Maybe 20-25 years ago, but now it's just jeans and pants and tops. That's all.
And
I live
kurtis.
it. And kurtis, yeah, I live it.
So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with some makeup for you. I don't wear a lot of makeup every day, but I'll definitely do like a bright lip and maybe something on your cheek. For me, I guess this is it because this is you, right?
Yeah.
No makeup.
Without no makeup. Yeah.
No makeup, no hair.
Yeah.
So we've got some stuff laid out here. I've shortlisted some things for you, but I don't know what's going to fit you. So I'm going to have to give you your final look after you try a few things. What have you shortlisted for me?
These are a few options if you'd like to try out.
Oh my god. So this is the look you're giving me.
Yes.
Your elasticated jeans. Please see these. Who wears jeans with elastic even
Why not?
today? Nobody does, mother. And a kurti, and what with your handbag, obviously, which is my old handbag. Thank God for that. And what about the shoes?
These are my chappals.
Oh wow, the ones that I absolutely hate.
But that they are the most comfortable, so that's what you have to wear.
I've got some options for you, lots of dresses for you to try, and yeah, this is my top pick for you if it fits you, that is. It will fit you. So, Roshan, how do you feel?
I feel hot.
But you're looking hot as well.
Am I? I don't know.
Yeah,
Let's see.
I think she's looking really hot. Like she's, what, 70? I mean, like for a
70.
70-year-old, you look
71 in a month or two.
pretty hot.
Thank you.
I, of course, do not want to ever dress like this. Like, if
Yes.
anybody sees me like this in 50 years, please shoot me.
No, it's quite comfortable.
It is
What's important
comfortable.
is
Like, your
comfort.
chappals are really comfortable, but they're hideous looking.
Yes, yeah. But I go for comfort.
And then, of course, there are the Bappi Larry jewels, which are like
My
ginormous.
local range, yeah, and hers, her things which I wouldn't wear, but I'm wearing it today.
But it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. A lot of fun, yeah.
So you should wear more dresses. Like, if you
Yeah.
want her to wear more dresses, comment below, because I keep saying she should wear more dresses because
Yes.
she looks so hot, but she refuses to wear dresses.
So maybe I will start.
So that was the style swap with mom, and I thought it went off pretty well. At least one of us looks hot.
No, my daughter also will look around in 50 years time. I'm sure she'll look even more sexy.
Like, even for wearing this.
Oh, I think so.
So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below with more ideas for mommy and me to do together, since you guys enjoy videos with her. Check out my last video here. See you guys. Bye.